Hello, children. I am your class teacher, Moshumi Dasgupta. Today we will revise the lesson My Body, which we have done earlier in SNAP homework. In class 1 also, you must have learned that there are many parts in your body and that each part of our body does a special work for us. There are two types of body parts. One is external parts and the next is internal parts. First, I will tell you about the external parts of your body. External parts are those parts which you can see outside your body. For example, eyes, mouth, finger, head, hair, ear, nose, tongue, hand, foot. These are all the body parts which you can see from the outside. Now we will move on to the internal body parts. Internal parts are those parts of the body which you cannot see from the outside. These parts are inside your body. In this picture, you can see there is something inside your head. What is that thing? That is the brain. Brain is the most important part of your body. It lies inside your head. It helps you to think, remember, and learn. Now let us move on to the next body part, next internal part of your body. The heart. Heart is the most important part. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. That is, heart sends blood to all the parts of the body. Children, if you keep your ears on someone's chest, you will be able to hear a sound. Do you know what that sound is? That sound is called the heartbeat. A very interesting fact about your heart is that it beats 72 times in a minute. Isn't it very interesting? Okay, now let us move on to the next internal part. The next internal part is lungs. As you can see in the picture, children, there are two lungs in your body. Lungs help you to breathe. Children, we cannot live without breathing. Therefore, these lungs help you in breathing, and when you breathe in air, your lungs are filled with the air which you breathe in. The next part now which we are going to study is kidneys. Kidneys also play a very important role. Kidneys purify the blood and remove all the impurities from your body. In the same way, the water purifier cleans the water at your home. Kidneys clean the blood in your body and it removes all the waste materials from your body. Next important internal part is the stomach. Stomach helps in digestion of the food which you eat. Now children, let us study about the bones. Children, you can see the picture of a skeleton on your screen. Do you know what a skeleton is? Skeleton is the framework of bones which gives shape to your body. Children, if you touch your finger or your head, you will feel that they are hard. Do you know why these parts feel hard? Because of the bones which are there in your body. In an adult human body, children, there are 206 bones. Now we will study about muscles. Muscles are there over our bones and under our skin. Muscles help us to move our body and to work. Children, if you want to sit down or to run or to walk, all these things you are able to do with the help of your muscles. There are 600 muscles in an adult human body. Now, children, you have studied about the external body parts and the internal body parts. Now I will tell you about the sense organs. Sense organs are those parts of the body which help us to know about the world around us. For example, eyes. Eyes help us to see the world around us. Next sense organ is ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds around us. Next sense organ is nose. Nose helps us to breathe air and to smell. Another sense organ is tongue. You can taste something sweet or salty with the help of your tongue. Next is skin. Skin helps us to feel anything by touching it. For example, hot, cold, soft, etc. So now children, you know that we have 5 sense organs which help you to know about your surroundings. So now you know, children, how important your body parts are, and each part of your body is very useful for you. Therefore, you should take good care of your body. Now I will tell you few simple ways how you can take care of your body. First is, you should always keep your body clean. You should take bath daily, brush your teeth twice in a day, comb your hair, cut your nails. Next is exercise daily. Exercising daily is a very important thing so that you can be fit and healthy. Next is avoid junk food. Children, do not eat anything which is unhealthy for you. And food like burger, pizza, ice cream, cold drink, all these are very harmful for you, and all these are called junk food. Therefore, you should avoid junk food. Next is wear clean clothes. You should always wear clean clothes. And it is very important that you drink plenty of clean water. It is very important that you drink clean and fresh water so that you can stay healthy and hydrated. Last and very important is sleeping early and waking up early, because if your body is rested properly, you will be healthy and fit. Therefore, children, if you follow these points, you will always be healthy and fit. Okay, thank you, children. I hope you have understood the lesson, and if you have any queries, any problems, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. Goodbye.